In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get results like this by watching videos on YouTube. I'm going to give you a way to make something that you already do, which is watch videos online and make a hell of a lot of money doing it. But right now, the most important thing that you can do is subscribe to this channel, because all of the ways that I know of making money online, I'm going to be posting on this channel, and I'm posting every single day. And if you're not subscribed, I might post a video tomorrow or next week and you might not see it. And that could have been the video that could have changed your life forever. And now that you subscribe to the channel, let me show you several different ways that you can earn a lot of money watching videos online. Buckle up, because we're about to get started. What's up? So now I'm going to show you how you can earn money on this website and be able to cash it through PayPal, which is the best part of this video. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about getting paid. This site literally accepts PayPal, so you can easily cash out the money that you make with it, so you don't have to worry about it. You know, all of us watch videos every single day, so why not get paid to watch it, right? That's the beauty of the internet. You can literally get paid for watching videos and still be helping other people at the same time. So there are literally two requirements you're going to need to start doing this method. With one of them is a PayPal account, which you can easily get. You can just go to the paypal.com website or paypal.com wherever you live, sign up, and then you click send, spend, and manage your money if you don't have a PayPal account yet. And in here, you just put your phone number, and then you can input your email, username, and the password, and you're absolutely good to go. Now, I wanted to show you before we got started, another day I made another video about this, and it was a different website, and this one actually pays also $5 per video you watch. I think it has a limit, so it doesn't pay that much, but you can earn up to $150 every day if you watch up to 30 videos. I think it has a limit of how many videos you can watch per day, but still $150 is a reasonable amount of money, but I wanted to show you anyway. So if you watch one video, then you're going to get paid $5. If you watch two, $10, three, $15, and so on. So this is all of the payment proof the website provides. As you guys can see here, people are getting paid through Litecoin, WebMoney, PayPal, Payeer, PayPal, Payeer, and they have lots of pages of people getting paid. This is the amount people are getting paid. Even through cryptocurrency, people are getting paid on this website. Vodafone Cash, they have lots of payment methods. You don't have to worry about getting paid. It's really easy. So now the second requirement that you're going to be needing is a YouTube account. And I'm going to presume that you already have a YouTube account since you're watching this video. And if you don't have one, you can just literally go into the YouTube website, click the icon that's going to be here, click register, and then register your free account. Okay, this method, oh, I forgot to mention, this method is completely free, so you don't have to worry about spending any money. It's completely free money that you're going to be getting, and it's also going to pay you through PayPal, so you don't have to worry about it, and even cryptocurrency if you so wish. So while you are registering your account, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because like I said, I'm making videos every single day, 3 times a day, to help you make money online. Okay, so once you created your account on YouTube, what you want to be doing is you want to go here on the left side of the YouTube website, and you want to click gaming, and it's going to be taking you to this page right here, because we want to be on this page because there are lots of games that are trending right now, and that's what YouTube is showing you at the moment. So what you want to do is you want to click on the latest, most trending game, which is at the moment Free Fire. You want to click on this game right now. Once you've clicked on Free Fire, you're going to notice that the players of this game, they're running live streams. So most of these, there are a lot of people watching it live. So these videos are live videos. As you can see here, this one has 3,000 people watching it. This one has 3,000 people watching it. Let's just click on this one. All right, as you guys can see here, they are playing the game live, and there are 3,100 and so on people watching it, right? So now comes the good part. I'm going to show you a method that not many people know about, but it's really cool, and it's the same method those people that I just showed you on this website are using to make $5 for every video they watch, and you're going to be using the same strategy. As you guys can see, this video has a lot of demand, and all of the videos of Free Fire, many people watch. Millions of people are watching Free Fire videos on YouTube. You guys have no idea how blown up this game is at the moment. It's just going crazy right now. So there's a lot of opportunities to make PayPal money using this method. Okay, so now what you have to do is go to the website, and as you can see, the website method here is really simple. All you have to do is create an account, shorten your link, and earn money. It's just like the one I did in my last video. And as you can see here, you can also get paid via PayPal, Bitcoin, WebMoney, Perfect Money, Payeer. There's lots of payment methods, but the one I most prefer is PayPal, because this is free PayPal money, so it's really easy to cash out. As you guys can see here, almost 1 million people have already created links in this website, so you know, is blowing up. They also have a referral bonus for you guys that want to refer your friends and earn even more money. So what you have to do to get the link, to shorten the link, is you go to the video that you were watching that I told you to go into, which is a live stream right now. As you can see, this one has live demand. There's people literally watching this video right now. As you can see, this is a live chat and there's a lot of people talking here. This because there's a lot of demand for this video. So what you want to do is you want to get the link for the video. So you click here, you click on share, and then it's going to pop up a link. You're going to copy this link over here. You can just click copy over here. Click a lot of time just to make sure it's copied. So what you have to do is go back to the website and you're going to click here, sign up. Once again, this is completely free. You don't have to pay to sign up, and it's available all over the world, wherever you live. It doesn't matter. So what you have to do now is you choose a username, put your email in, and then you choose a password, and then you click register. First have to agree to the terms. If you do agree, of course, you can read it if you want. I'm not going to read it. I'm just going to click register. Okay, so my account has been created. Now I'm going to click remember me and sign in. Okay, so now we're at the dashboard on the website. So on this page is where you're going to view all the information about your account. Up here you're going to see your available balance, and then if you scroll down you're going to see how many people clicked on your link, how many people watch your videos, how many people, you know, actually engaged with the link wherever you're going to be posting it. All right, so it says here they don't allow shortened porn links. It will get your account banned. So take a look at these guidelines so you don't do anything that the site deems to be illegal. Be careful with that. Okay guys, just do YouTube videos because you know YouTube videos are safe. So what you have to do once you're in your dashboard, you go here and new shorten link, and this little box is going to pop up for you to put down the link that you've just copied. Okay, paste the link over here, and then since this video is about Free Fire, what you're going to do is you're going to write here Free Fire. You don't need to worry about this expiration date. It's fine. Just click shorten. Oh, there's already a link with this name, so we're going to have to choose a different name. Let's see, 3FF Fire already exists as well, so let's try something else. Mysteries Audience. Let's try this one. Okay, so this one is available, which you guys are awesome. So let's do this one. Copy this link over here. So from now on, you write this link somewhere safe. You keep that link safe because this is going to be the link for your first video, and we're going to be doing this with multiple videos. All right, so you're going to open a text file, you're going to save your link here, you're going to go back to YouTube. Since we already have the link for this video, you're going to try and find a link for a different video because we need multiple videos. Oh, this is the one we used before, so we're going to use this one now. So what we're going to do here, we're going to go share again, click copy, go back to the website, input the link here, write something different. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to write anything. Okay, so it's now shortened. Copy that link, go to our text file, paste it, and then we're going to do it to another video, one more. I want you to only focus on live streams because live streams are the ones that have the most people watching. And you can see here this one has 7,000 people watching it. This is definitely a video that we want to be doing it with. So we're going to click share. We're going to copy that link. So we now have 3 links. Now the more you do this, the more money you're going to make. Remember what I'm telling you. The more you do this, the more money you're going to make. So you keep repeating this process many times, posting the link, the places that I'm going to tell you in just a minute, so you can make a lot of money. And as you guys can see, this video, this game has a lot of demand. It's getting like 54 million views. This video getting 3,300 people watching it every single hour. So there is a lot of opportunity for you to make money here. So now what I want you to do is, in the last video that I made about this, I taught you guys how you could go to PC Gamer, which is this website here. You could get some news. Let's say we're doing a Free Fire, so Garena Free Fire news. We could get like some really cool news about the game, something that people are talking about. As you can see here, we've been taken to a different website. Let me just find a Free Fire news. So you could come here, search for some news, really cool one. This one seems like a very polemic one, so you could use this. You could copy that and paste it into PC Gamer with your link in your blog post. So when you post it, you want to post a blog post here with the news and your link in the end. So when the people sees the blog post, they read the news, they are enticed to click the link to see more information about that topic. Okay, so this is the method that I taught in my last video. If you didn't watch it, go back and watch it in my channel as well. And I also told you that you could use Reddit, which is the biggest forum on the world. Any kind of topic that you want to talk about, you can find it here in Reddit. So this is a really good place for you to post some news and then link it to your YouTube video. So when people watch it, you get free money. Okay, now in this video here, I want to teach you a different method that I forgot to tell you about also in the last video. And that's one of the main reasons that I'm making this video today. It's because I want you to use the method of YouTube Shorts. And what do I mean by this? A few weeks ago, on June 29th, I made a video about how you could make money using YouTube Shorts. And in this video, I showed you how you can use affiliate marketing to get people on YouTube Shorts, to get people to buy stuff from you using your YouTube Shorts. So what you can do on this, you can combine the two methods and you can use affiliate marketing, YouTube Shorts to get people to click on your link. And what you can do is you can download some footage of a video of Free Fire. In this video, I teach how you can use the video downloader. If you don't know how to download a YouTube video, just come into this video right here. So you're going to learn. I'm going to link the video in the end. If you want to watch this video here to see how you can do the method, you can just click the link above and it's going to appear for you to watch. But right now, I just want to explain to you what you have to do. You go into the video that you want to download. Let's say you wanted to download this video. And then you copy the link here, you copy this link, you go into the website, the video downloader, you download the video, you cut it on Canva, like I show you how to do right here in my other video. You just cut the video on Canva and then you upload it as a YouTube short. And in the description, instead of using this affiliate marketing link from ClickBank or from Digistore, what you're going to be using is the video link that you got just a minute ago, or you can use all three of them. You get a video of Free Fire and then you can point the link to the description for the person to watch. And I can almost guarantee you that you're gonna make a lot of money doing this, because YouTube Shorts right now, they're giving people a lot of organic traffic. They're giving literally millions of views. So if 1 million people watch your video, imagine if 1% of those people clicked on your link. 1% of 1 million is 10,000 people. So imagine if 1% of the 1% click your link, how much money you're going to be making. So guys, I just had to make this video for you today because this is a genius idea. You know, I just came up with this idea today. I didn't even think about this before. I don't know how I didn't think about this before. I just wanted to share it with you guys. And each view, you're going to be getting $5. I think there's a limit to how much you can make per day. I think it's $150, but still, it's a lot of money. It's good money. And I think you guys are going to benefit from this. So if you want to watch the video that I showed you right now on how you can download the videos and you can make those YouTube shorts to make this work, click this link below my head right now. And don't remember to subscribe to the channel, because I'm constantly coming out with videos like these and I'm constantly looking for methods for you to watch videos online. And when I do, I post it here on this channel. I'm literally posting 3 times every single day new methods that are currently working for you to gain free money using PayPal online. So if you want to learn that, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can click the video link right now above my head to go to the other video. I'll see you on the other video. Work hard, play harder.